What's the meaning of boxer? Boxer. Boxer.
Boxer. Boxer. Boxer can refer to a type of athlete who competes in boxing matches, or it can be a term used to describe a specific breed of dog. In the context of sports, a boxer is someone who participates in the combat sport of boxing, which involves two contestants wearing gloves and throwing punches at each other in a ring. Boxers are known for their strength, endurance, and agility. The term boxer can also refer to the boxer breed of dog, which is a medium-sized breed known for its playful and energetic personality, as well as its distinctive wrinkled face and muscular physique.